Here's how to add the Japanese emoji keyboard to your iPhone. Now, if you're in Notes or Messages and you'll tap on the emoji at the bottom left, you can see these are just the normal iPhone emojis. But you can also get the Japanese emojis. But to do that, you need to head into the settings and add it as a keyboard. So tap on the Settings app on your iPhone. And at the very bottom, you're going to tap on General. Now, from here, you'll be able to just scroll down and you can see keyboard towards the bottom. Tap on that. We need to add that Japanese keyboard, so tap on the keyboards option at the very top and then hit Add New Keyboard. From here, of course, we're going to just type in Japanese and tap on it. You can see three different options: kana, romaji, and handwriting. We're going to choose romaji, that second option there, and hit the little check mark at the very top right. Now, after we've done that, let's close out of that Notes app and open it up again. And now you'll see at the bottom left is the globe icon. Tap on that globe icon. And from here, you can see I'm going to switch over to the Japanese option. I can also tap and hold and just tap on the Japanese option. Now, to get to the Japanese emojis, I can tap on the emoji icon at the bottom left here. And you'll be able to see I can tap on Japanese to get to that, or I can tap on 1, 2, 3, and you can see that little smiley face next to the delete button. I can tap on that, and you'll be able to see all of these Japanese emojis that I can scroll through, so I can start typing in those Japanese emojis that are different from the normal iPhone emojis.